Today's training tip of the week is about compliance in the customer interview. Part of the reason we conduct a customer interview is to qualify the customer on their vehicle purchase. However, there are compliant and non-compliant ways of doing this. Under the Civil Rights Act of 1964, it is illegal to discriminate against anyone on the basis of race, color, religion, national origin, or sex. And while I know many of us know this, people may not know that there are some innocent questions that can also be seen as discriminatory. For example, you may have a customer that has alternative income sources like alimony and child support. However, you cannot directly ask if that is the case. Instead, we may ask if they have additional verifiable income they may want to use. And if you ask about additional income, the customer should volunteer the relevant information first, and then you can probe for more details. Another example of an illegal question is asking where someone was born. Instead, ask what's your current immigration status, or are you legally able to work in the USA? And if you have a customer who's got a visa that expires in the next 48 months, be aware that they may be restricted on an auto loan going more than 48-month term. And while we cannot ask about a customer's nationality when discussing auto loan terms, you can ask about the place of birth when clearing an OFAC hit against the specially designated nationals list. These are just a couple of examples of how to get the information you need to qualify a customer for an auto loan in a compliant manner. For more in-depth information, make sure you ask your compliance officer for what you can and cannot do in the customer interview. That's all for this week. For more training tips, make sure to bookmark our YouTube page, youtube.com/EFG Companies. And you can also register for EFG training on our website at efgcompanies.com.
An EFG production.